Dongguan Haoxin Precision Machinery Company Limited has been committed to supply more and more printing and package solutions with automatic, high efficiency, and intellectualization to our customers. HXCP was established in Shenzhen in 2014 and moved to Dongguan in 2016, is a leading supplier in the printing and package industry, and offer the intelligent and automatic post-press and package solutions in China. As an innovator in the industry, we produce and supply many remarkable machines on the post-press industry, such as CP Folding Machine Series, High-Speed Hardcover Case Making Machine, Case Rounding Machine, Paperboard Slitter, Notebook Case Elastic String Setting Machine, Notebook Book Block Sticky Ribbon Machine, Book Block Gluing Line, Cardboard Book Collating, Gluing and Mounting Production Line, Case and Machine, Rigid Box Case Making Machine, and also supply the complete solution on notebook automatic making, book perfect binding, cardboard book making, etc. With high-quality products and professional service, well-deserved reputation and customers' favor and support are the source of rapid growth. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. Adherence to the ideal of people-oriented and benevolence, we are trying to establish an open and harmonious relationships between employees, partners, customers, and suppliers, which regards as a part of wealth growth, so that we can realize long-term cooperation and mutual improvement.